Dangerous flooding is impacting millions of Americans in the Midwest. At least one person was killed in South Dakota. And the National Guard has been activated in Minnesota to help fight against rising floodwaters. In Iowa, evacuations were ordered after the heavy rain swallowed entire communities. Jonah Kaplan from CBS Minnesota joins us now from Sioux City, Iowa. So obviously we see knee-deep, almost thigh-deep water even. What's the situation there right now?
And Lindsay, there's so many communities now that when the sun is out, well, the question is, what is the water going to reveal? And as the waters recede, what is the damage? How much are we going to have to clean up? How much are we going to have to pay for? And how are we going to have to pay for that? So you can see this is Grand Avenue. We've actually made our way to a town called Spencer here in Iowa, which is just a little bit of northeast of Sioux City. And the bridge, the river, it's about a half a mile from here. So all this water is from a historic crest from this river that's moved well beyond the bridge. You can see it's covered this entire stretch, many businesses. There are neighbors on each side, and you can see the neighborhood here. Look, as the water goes all the way down to that stop sign. And again, this is good news that the water has receded, but the disaster here has really only just begun.
Wow, I cannot believe that you are half a mile, I think you said, away from the bridge. That is absolutely extraordinary. How are local officials responding?
Well, right now, I think the most important thing is to get power restored, because that way at least you can get some sort of services. People are going to need food, they're going to need shelter, they're going to need some sanitary things for them, bathrooms, running water. All of that is kind of the first thing to just get to living. Second thing is getting people into their businesses, because even if their lives were saved, their livelihoods are what's at risk. In fact, we were just speaking with a business owner here at this pizzeria and then a nonprofit organization right down this way. They're in the business of helping others, and now she says they're the ones that need the help. This is not exactly, a coastal area. This isn't a place where a lot of people have flood insurance, and now they're learning just how devastating financially this disaster is going to be.
All right, Jonah Kaplan, thank you so much to you and your photographer for bringing us that. Stay safe.